Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Dr. Nelsie here. So today's video is about food allergy. So what is food allergy? Some foods contain specific proteins which causes food allergy in humans. So food allergy happens when immune system responds defensively to specific protein that is in reality not harmful to us. First time when you eat the offending food or the allergic food, the immune system responds by creating a specific disease fighting antibody called as immunoglobulin E or IgE, which protects us or our body from fighting that foreign invaders from the body. Finally, again when we eat the food the second time, the IgE antibodies or the immunoglobulin E antibodies spring out into action, further releasing histamines in our body. Histamine is a powerful chemical which can affect our skin, gastrointestinal tract and also cardiovascular system. Further, which results in food allergy which affects our skin, cardiovascular system, gastrointestinal tract. So most of us would have observed when we get food allergy, our mouth, there's a swelling in our mouth, face gets swelled up, rashes in the skin, itching in the skin. Although a wide range of conditions can cause a skin to itch or itchy skin condition, but itching skin, there is itching in the skin or tingling in the skin or rashes in the skin are often a typical common symptom in food allergy. So I hope what is food allergy, I have given an awareness in this video. Now let's see what are the specific proteins which cause food allergies, through which our body releases or the immune system of our body releases the antibodies in order to fight against them. So these are the foods which causes food allergy. Soya is one of the food that causes allergic reactions. Although we all know that soya allergies are very common among children and infants, it is estimated that 1.5% of general populations are affected by food allergy which is caused by soya. So soya causes allergy by a specific protein which is present in them, that is soya. So soya based products such as soya sauce, soya milk, soya beans, these are the products which can cause food allergies or allergic reactions in body. So what does a soya allergy cause, or what allergic reaction does soya cause is, soya causes an effective or severe condition which is called as atopic dermatitis. It is an allergic reaction which is caused from eating soya based products. So atopic dermatitis is characterized by there is a severe itching in the skin and inflammation of the skin. This is called as atopic dermatitis. So whenever you please notice, whenever you take a soya based products and if you get a itching or inflammation of the skin, do recognize it that it is very allergic to yourself. So the very next one or the second food allergy foods are peanuts. So we all know that peanut is the most common food allergy food, but we also should know that it is one of the dangerous food allergies. Amongst those of the peanut allergies, the specific proteins present in peanuts causes allergy to our body, which triggers our immune system, which results the food allergy which is characterized by rashes in the skin, shortness of breath, digestive issues and inflammation under the skin. These are the dangerous skin allergies or food allergies which are caused by peanuts. So the next food is shellfish. So shellfish is a type of fish which has hard shell in them or the shell-like exterior body. So we all think, what is shellfish or hard shell appearance of a fish? Normally fish only has scales in them, but these are the seafoods which contain hard shell, that are lobsters, oysters, crabs, prawns and squid. These are the seafoods which has hard shells in them. Right. These shellfishes cause allergicness to most of the populations. So what type of allergic reactions are caused by these types of seafoods are, they cause skin rashes, itching of the skin, swelling of the skin, which can also lead further severe condition, can lead to breathlessness and shortness of breath. So the next food allergy is tree nuts. So tree nuts is one of the common food allergies which is caused from some of the nuts and seeds. So let's see what are the examples, some of the examples of the nuts which are produced in the trees which causes food allergies. So Brazil nut, macadamia nuts, almonds, cashews, pista and pine nuts. These all are the nuts which are produced from the tree and which can cause 1% of population with food allergies. It is noted that 1% of the population is affected with tree nut allergies. So what are the symptoms of these tree nut allergies are? Again, there is skin rashes, redness of the skin and itching, of severe itching noticed immediately after eating of the tree nuts. There is swelling of the skin, swelling of the mouth and shortness of breath. So the next food is mushroom. We all know that mushrooms are very delicious, and all over the years it has become very popular all around because of their nutritional benefits. But in other hand, mushroom can also lead to allergic reactions or responses called as mushroom allergy. Most of the population or most of the people in and around us are affected by mushroom allergy. So once you take the mushrooms, you eat the mushrooms, or you just smell the mushroom sponges, you trigger the immune response and it releases histamine, leading to many types of allergic reactions, especially shortness of breath, fainting, breathing difficulty, inflammation of the throat, inflammation of the mouth and inflammation of the lips, rashes in the skin, itching of the skin, stomach ache, diarrhea, running nose and wheezing. These are the common mild symptoms of mushroom allergy. But the later stage, it can become a poisoning allergic reaction, and it is one of the dangerous food allergy. So once it becomes poison, it can lead to food poisoning. There will be severe vomiting as well as continuous diarrhea or loose motions, which should be immediately taken care and given notice for. So do recognize yourself that you are allergic to what type of foods before you inhale or intake it. So I hope this video would have given you awareness about the foods which can cause allergic reactions. Thank you.